Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day I was chatting to an old friend of mine about her new job. She's recently started working in an old school after being at a previous place of employment for several years. When I asked how it was going, she said it was okay, not perfect, but way better than the last place she'd been in, because that place had been, in her words, a bit of a basket case. If you describe a company or an organisation or a country as a basket case, you basically mean it's incredibly badly run, it's dysfunctional, and it's probably going to fail in some kind of way. So maybe you read about a country that's described as an economic basket case because the economy is so poorly run. Or maybe you're in a country with very high unemployment and economists are warning that if unemployment doesn't go down, the country's going to end up as a financial basket case. Basket case is also sometimes used to describe people who are a bit emotionally unstable and not really able to function in a normal kind of way. So maybe after your divorce, you might end up as a bit of a basket case. Or you might come home one day after a particularly stressful day at work and tell your partner that if I stay in that job any longer, I'm going to end up as a total basket case. The place is driving me mad. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use basket case.